So I wanted to do a video about things that I carry around every day, and I started to, and I was getting to the point where I was talking about this camera right here. This is the Insta360 Go 2, and then it just stopped working, and since then I've been trying to get it fixed, and I think I should tell you about it before you go out and buy one of these. So this is kind of off topic, but I feel like I've been getting kind of chunky lately, kind of chubsies.
That's a thick ass boy!
And I want to do something about it, and I know me, I have trouble getting motivated. So I stream pretty much every day, and I figured maybe you guys could help me out. So come join my streams on Twitch. The link will be in the description below. There's different ways for you to interact and to get me to do some workouts. So if you subscribe to me, I'll do 10 sit-ups on stream, and then there's other things that I'm going to be doing as well, but it's just something just to get me motivated to lose some of this fat. So a few months back, Insta360 Go, or Insta360, announced the Insta360 Go 2. And it's a dope little camera. It's a little thing like this, looks almost like AirPods. And then the inside is the actual camera. The case can control it. It's a tripod. It's a dope system. And I got it literally the day it came out. I've been using it. I've been careful with it. It still looks brand new. Like I've been taking such good care of this thing. And I suggested it to a bunch of friends, and a bunch of my friends got it. I could, off the top of my head, name at least 8 people that bought this camera because I showed them what it could do, and I talked about it, and they went out and bought it. So I started using this camera for projects and things that I'm working on, and I wanted to do an everyday carry video, and I set everything up, and I did all the video and all this and that. And then while filming another video, this just stopped working. The camera itself still works. The case is what doesn't, and the case is what is like, it's like the hub, right? So I can use the camera on its own, but it charges through the case. If I want to connect it to my computer to use the editing software, you have to use the case, and it just doesn't work. Nothing I do makes this thing work. I don't even know if it's charging the camera, to be honest. I don't even know if the case is charging. So I call up Insta360, I email them, and start trying to go through the process of trying to fix this thing because I bought a warranty also, which you'd think would matter. And let me just say, I do like this camera very much, but I don't like the process that I'm about to tell you. So Insta360 is based out of China, and in the United States, they basically just have one girl who answers the phones, and I think I've spoken to her 4 times at this point. And I've gotten a little mad at her, and I apologize to her, but it is very frustrating with what the process is. So I have to send this unit in, and the turnaround time is 2 to 3 weeks, which means I'm without a camera for 2 to 3 weeks. So I asked her, hey, is there another case I can buy? Is there some kind of swap out program that I can do? And the only response I got from her was I have to email the company, wait for them to get back to me, and if I need a camera bad enough, go on Amazon.com and buy a new one. And when they return my product, to return the camera from Amazon so I'm not charged. Do you really think that I'm gonna buy a new camera from Amazon because the company I bought it from won't do anything for me? Now, it's not her fault. She literally has no power. But come on. I bought this camera with a warranty, and almost a week goes by, and I can't even get this thing returned. I can't even send it back because the people aren't responding back. I love this camera. I really do. I enjoy its potential, but if you are going to buy this camera, do not go to Insta360 to buy it. Go directly to Amazon. Go to someplace that has real customer service, because this is total garbage. I've been frustrated. I've been annoyed. I've just been waiting. It's just sitting at my house waiting for it to be returned to get fixed, and then I have to wait for however long that is to get it back, and maybe buy one from Amazon in the meantime. It's like, why did I buy a warranty? Why did I buy it directly from Insta360 if they're gonna treat me like this? If they're gonna treat me like I don't matter. I paid for this, and I've been referring this to people. I bought a warranty, and it's not good enough for them to kind of get me my camera working. It's just really upsetting. This is just a warning to those people who want this camera. It is a great camera. but do not buy it from Insta360. It is nothing but nightmare. And the poor girl who's dealing with all the phone calls because Insta360 doesn't know how to deal with their customers and get customer support, I'm sorry for you. Just go directly to Amazon. That's it. I'm just mad. I'm just mad because I want to start doing different types of videos. I want to show you guys some of the things that I've been doing. And when something like this happens, I'm dealing with this for a week at a time to try to get just this. This is all I need fixed. This works. I just need this. And this is such a nightmare. Is it worth it? Is it worth the headache? $300. It's a cheap camera. What do you think Amazon would say if they found out that Insta360 is telling customers to buy another camera and then return it so that you can have a camera while they're fixing yours because they won't do anything for you? Do you think Amazon would think that's okay? Do you think that is a good policy to have them go to another company and buy the camera? And their answer is, well, it's the Insta360 store on Amazon. But Amazon doesn't know that you're telling me to do this, so I'm doing this on my own, buying a new camera so that I can return it later under their way better customer support return policy, because Insta360, the company that makes the camera, won't do anything for me. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below. Tell me what you think about Insta360 Go's return policy and how they're telling me to deal with this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.